Outdoor griddles have become an essential tool for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, offering a versatile and convenient way to whip up delicious meals in the open air. As we step into 2024, it's prime time to explore the top contenders in the world of outdoor griddles. In this video, I have listed 5 best outdoor griddles that stand out for their features, durability, and performance. From compact models perfect for camping trips to larger setups suitable for backyard gatherings, there's something for every outdoor chef. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's dive in and discover the best outdoor griddles of 2024. Number 5. Royal Gourmet GD403. It is my top choice for best portable outdoor griddle on our list. This griddle features 2 cooking zones, a ceramic-coated griddle for frying and porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates for grilling. The 4 stainless steel burners produce 48,000 PQ of heat, adjustable from high to low. Convenient features include a paper towel holder, tool hooks, detachable wind deflector, and durable side tables for prep space. Its easy-to-fold legs make it portable for camping and tailgating, while lockable caster wheels provide flexibility. Cleanup is hassle-free with a full-width grease tray and cup to collect drippings. Number 4. Cuisinart CGG0028. I recommend this for best space-saving outdoor griddle. It's made of alloy steel, giving it durability. With a cooking space of 644 square inches, you have plenty of room to cook. The dual grease management system makes cleanup a breeze with 2 front access grease cups. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. Plus, it's easy to move around with 2 wheels and a handle. Number 3. Coleman Road Trip 285. Looking for best budget-friendly outdoor griddle? Check out this durable and portable option with up to 20,000 BTUs of grilling power. With 285 square inch of cooking area and 3 independently adjustable burners, you get enhanced temperature control for your outdoor cooking needs. The water pan conveniently catches cooking grease and is removable for easy cleaning. Plus, it features 2 durable side tables for resting utensils and saucers, along with an integrated thermometer for accurate temperature monitoring. Ignition is push-button for matchless lighting. In addition, this product contains iron, ensuring its durability for long-term use. Number 2. Weber 36-inch gas griddle. This is my pick for best reliable outdoor griddle. It comes in sleek black color and runs on gas. Assembly is required, but it's worth it for what you can cook. With its 4-burner system, it generates 60,000 BTUs for even heat distribution. The snapjet ignition ensures quick heating, reaching over 500 Fahrenheit. Cleanup is easy with the out-of-the-way corner grease chute and front access grease tray. The durable aluminized steel construction prevents corrosion, ensuring longevity. Plus, it offers extra workspace with 2 sturdy side tables and 4 hooks for utensils. The hinged hardcover makes storage simple and protects the griddle from the elements. Whether you're making scrambled eggs, paninis, or burgers, this griddle has you covered. Number 1. Blackstone 1883. And here it is, my top pick for best overall outdoor griddle on our list. This griddle is designed for durability and comes in a sleek black color. It boasts a spacious 28-inch cooking surface, perfect for feeding a crowd with 524 square inches of cooking space. With its ability to cook up to 21 burgers or 15 pancakes at once, you can quickly satisfy hungry guests. The versatility of this griddle allows you to cook a wide range of foods, from traditional barbecue to breakfast favorites and gourmet grilled cheese. Its 2 H-style burners can be independently controlled, offering flexibility in heat settings for different parts of your meal. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to the rear grease management system, which collects grease and food debris for easy disposal. The counter-height side shelves provide extra space for meal prep and serving, while the integrated hood protects the griddle when not in use. Additional features include 2 wheels for easy maneuvering and electric ignition for quick starting. This griddle is a reliable choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts looking for convenience and performance. So, as we wrap up our rundown of the best outdoor griddles for 2024, it's time to fire up those outdoor cooking adventures with confidence. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy griddling, everyone!